Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to export video in CapCut. Click on the export option located in the top right hand corner of interface. This action will open a new window with details about the export. Change title to your desired name in the title field. Navigate to Export section to choose folder where you want to save exported video. You can select different folder if you prefer. Adjust the resolution based on your preferences. I recommend the resolution in 1080p for standard usage, but you can choose higher resolution if you have corresponding footage. For bitrate, keep it on recommended, for balance between quality and file size. Choose the H264 as it's optimal for YouTube. Set frame rate according to your footage. 60 fps for 60 fps footage and default for 30 fps. Ensure that export audio is checked to include audio in your export video. Now click on Export button to initiate export process. Depending on your video length and file size, the export may take some time. Once export is complete, video will be in your selected destination folder. And that's it! You successfully export your video using CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking video.